As far as pond features go, the waterfall stream is easily the most important and most appreciated feature of the Dream Pond. It's a 25-foot cascading waterfall stream with water being pumped up from the 5,000-gallon reservoir pond to an elevation about 20 feet higher before it spills across the huge Biofall 6000 filter into the handcrafted waterfall stream. If you notice, it's boulder built. So those boulders on the border of the entire stream were cut in, hand selected, and placed so as to be immobile, and then a bed of gravel at different terraced cuts. So it's not a slope, and that's what causes the cascade, the waterfall. It's one waterfall after the next waterfall. My designer, Tim at Pond Country, he's an award-winning master designer. He knew how to include things in that stream that made the water behave differently, that made the sound better. And let me tell you, the sound is one of the most important things about the waterfall. That's what relaxes you. The sound is soothing. And then when you put the visual with it, you look over and you see the waterfall. It's just a tranquil moment. I mean, I don't know how to explain. I wish you could experience it. It's just fantastic. So the 25-foot cascading waterfall stream, absolutely the best feature of the Dream Pond. Anyone who's seen the Dream Pond is taken by the waterfall. You have to give yourself a minute to absorb the waterfall, acclimate to everything you've just encountered in my backyard that's shaping up to be an outstanding garden with the premium water feature. And then you can enjoy the surface of the pond and the koi and the plants. And by the way, the koi are just amazing. We just added another fish from Japan. We had shipped from a farm in Hawaii. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. The wildlife have especially appreciated the waterfall. You can check out the last River Life YouTube video titled Dream Pond Wildlife and see hundreds, literally hundreds of birds bathing and playing in the water. It's like a natural water slide for the birds. They love it. The mammals are coming out too. I've seen the chipmunks and the bunnies drink from the stream. We've had a raccoon visitor at night, which it was great to get a few clips of, but I'm kind of encouraging the raccoon not to come back. I do have a dog. They can carry rabies, and they do love to eat fish. Not going to be feeding any raccoons any of my koi. The waterfall is a quality of life amenity, both when you look at it and or hear it. You can go out on the patio with the sunscreens down and not even see it and still appreciate it. It's calming. It reminds me of walking out on the beach and hearing the waves crash on the ocean. It's like having an ocean in my backyard. It's a very zen space. It's safe and it's comfortable. I just love it. I love it. The pond would be fantastic without a waterfall. But of all the features, that's the one I'm glad we invested in. That's the one that takes it way over the top. We're talking about, this is a resort style water feature. We're just so fortunate to have it in our backyard. 22 tons actually, I think, of boulders incorporated in that pond build. And many of those were in that cascading waterfall stream. And I watched the pond builders hand build it. And you can too, if you follow the Dream Pond series of videos here on the River Life YouTube channel. I mean, it's hard work, that, to put it lightly. And the heat, they were in the July heat. We had shade and cold drinks, ice, fans, wet towels. It was we did everything we could do to take measures to provide for heat safety. And it was hot. It was uncomfortably hot. And those guys were just lifting boulders, trial placing them, taking them out, hand carving the earth just a little bit more, setting it in just perfect. It was really something to watch. I hope you'll watch a couple of those videos and enjoy those. All of them were made for your entertainment, not just a dry documentary. And this waterfall feature is not going to be turned off for the winter. There is no winterization of the Dream Pond. We're in the foothills of the Smoky Mountains, and we get freezing temps, sub-zero temps, but the pond is 3 feet deep, so we're below the frost line. So we're going to let the pond run. We're going to keep an eye on it. We may get some freezing along the edges. Could make for some fantastic video of icicles coming down that cascading waterfall. But as long as the water in the pond and the depth of the pump don't freeze, we don't have an issue allowing the pond to run year round. So it's going to be a year-round feature that we enjoy, and I can't wait as the seasons change to see, just how differently I appreciate the waterfall. I hope you appreciate the waterfall. I've put together just a couple of scenes. I'm going to play them in slow motion with some relaxing music just to give you an idea, just a hint of what it's like every time I go out by the Dream Pond. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, be sure and hit the like button. If you've not subscribed to the River Life YouTube channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell right next to that so you'll know when we upload more content like this.